All right, guys, check this out. You're looking at a custom fitted teeth grill set we just had done for a customer. This one here is 925 solid sterling silver, okay? And it is the single cap perm style. What does that mean? Well, check this out. You see these lines in between each tooth. It's a deep cut. Actually, it's cut all the way through. These are single caps. And it gives it that nice, permanent look style. Okay, and these snap right on the teeth. Custom fitted, handmade for a perfect fit. Check us out, guys, blingcartel.com. Thank you for watching. As always, y'all have a good one.